everyone, welcome to my channel Spoonful of Style, and today's vlog is gonna be special because it's Halloween and me and a couple of my friends.
Hi, I'm Tanuja.
I'm Tejas.
We're planning to go to see some Halloween decorations. Tejas, do you wanna explain some stuff?
Yeah, so basically during Halloween, people here, especially in Rochester, they kind of decorate their backyards or front yards with scary stuff, and then they put out a website on which you can basically just check out which houses have like lot of decoration, like Halloween decoration and stuff. So you can be, and they give you the location, so basically you can just go to their houses and just check out these things. So yeah, that's what we're planning to do today.
During Christmas time, you will have neighborhoods who are celebrating Christmas and they have light shows and stuff going on. So it's a similar concept here for Halloween as well. So it should be fun, it should be interesting. So let's drive to our first location. Oh my god, so this one started talking to me as soon as it saw me. Guys, it started talking to me. So so maybe I think they have a sensor. So cool.
With the slightest little effort of my ghost-like charm, I have seen grown men give out a shriek.
That's so pretty.
Wave of my hand in a well-placed bow, I have swept the very bravest off their feet.
This is our first house and it's already so pretty.
And I, Jack, that unburned king, have grown so tired of the same old thing.
No, I've stolen them from someone else. I love you, Finger. But you're not mine.
You are going so close.
We're at our first home and we're gonna play a little game with my friends. So after every house we'll ask them what do you think about the decorations, and then at the end we'll do top 3 for each people. So this is our first house. I'll put on the clips of this house. It's so pretty. For me personally, I really liked those, and like everything is controlled by sensor, so whenever you go close by any of the murals, they just start speaking something, and it's like super fun. Tejas, what do you think about this one?
Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like the fact that, I mean, if you see this and then hear what it is saying, it's kind of sad.
Okay, Tanuja.
Hi. It's the first house we are looking. It's so nice. I like the bride couple. So these are sensors. They are working with sensors. Whenever you stand, it's talking.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
Okay, cool. So this is still a smaller decoration. We have a couple of more to go. From last year, I remember like there were some decorations which were so humongous. So yeah, I think this is a good start. Let's see how it goes. By the way, what do you guys think about my space bun hairstyle?
It's nice.
That's it. You have to be like, oh my god, it's looking so pretty.
He can give that reaction.
Okay, so now we are at our second location. I don't remember all the locations, so I'll just ping them somewhere in the video. But yeah, I think a lot of houses have done decoration on this side. Oh my god. She's frying a human. Cute and scary. Oh wow. Ooh. I think the second house has more of a dead theme. Okay, this one is super pretty. Ta-da! It's a ginormous cat. It's from some movie. I know the reference, but I don't remember the movie now. If someone knows this cat is from which movie, comment down below.
Some years ago, one night just like tonight, I hear the dead rose up with these graves around here. Here's one now, trying to claw its way to the surface. I'll see if I can reach it halfway.
Oh, that's so cool. I really like this one. This dead theme. There's one more house. I see a lot of witches. It would be so cool to go to Halloween parties for these houses, man. With all this decoration outside. Imagine how cool it would be from inside. It's so cute. There was like a flying witch right there. I love the flying witch. So actually we came here for house right there, but the whole, like a lot of houses in this neighborhood has lighting. So we're gonna review based on everything total. So I think it's definitely an upgrade from last location for me particularly, because I think every house has a theme going on. Like the house behind me here is a witch theme, then this is more of dead theme, then graveyard theme. So I kind of like what's going on. So this is definitely better than the first place. What about you?
This is the second one, and this is nice because whole street is having it. We have multiple houses you can see around, and it's more good. There we got only one house, but so nice. We didn't expect. We have many. Thank you.
Yeah, so this was also decent. Lot of houses here, and everyone has a different theme. What I like is that little lighting where there are trees and then the eyes are kind of,
I can't see eyes. Oh,
yeah.
okay. Mic got discharged. So anyway, I'm just gonna try to be a little loud. So this is our third location. I already see couple of houses again, similar concept as our second location, who are having Halloween decorations. So we'll start from this side. Looks like dead people are partying, coming out of their grave. Let's have a close look. Cheers. Oh my god. There's actually a pole and they're looking at the pole dance. Okay, I kind of like this theme. Okay, I'm crossing over to the next side. Guys, go that side. They're all dead people who are partying, and there is a pole, and there's the skeleton is doing pole dance. Oh my god. Okay, damn, we have a flying ghost. Let's chase it. Super scary. Oh, is it like fast? Is it coming fast? That's so cool. Let's go from the beginning. Oh, this is a pirate theme. Okay. The pirate ship is attacked by some creature. That is cool. Cheers. This is the graveyard theme, and it's so cool that there is another ghost right there who's flying on the other side. So cool. Tejas, you gotta repeat this for camera. So I was telling Tejas ki this is spider, I guess, because I see a web. So he's like, this is, what is this? This is dumb pishaj. Dumb pishaj. Dumb pisha, what?
I don't know.
Dumb pisha from Harry Potter. I don't know if you can see it. Does this look like Dumb Pishaj from Harry Potter? Let's give a group reaction to our third neighborhood. Third, right? What do you think about this one?
It was interesting.
I like the flying ghost.
Yeah, the flying ghost was thumbs up for that. I think it was okay. Yeah.
Everything is okay.
Yeah, everything was okay. I think the highlight was flying ghost. Yeah, but I like the concept. Every house had a concept, so that's kind of nice. But yeah, I think we have seen some really interesting and better house decorations. Until next, let's go to our next location.
क्या कुछ गिरी है दादा?
किधर? नहीं. Let's go.
Decoration.
Okay, so my mic's battery has officially died and we are at our fourth location. Okay, this just definitely looks very haunted because they have decoration in the dark. There's no light, but yeah. I think their theme is graveyard or either just skeletons, but they've made it haunted by literally having no lights. So why don't we give so you look at every skeleton and then you give a laughter to them, okay? So we'll start with something small, like this one. Okay. What about this one with a wig?
Same. It's the same skeleton.
No, she's a female. That was a male. Okay, what about the tall one? What about multi-layered one?
What's going on?
So what is your opinion about our fourth location?
It was very lame. I did not like it.
They are saving power.
I mean, yeah, to be fair, we saw lights.
There is no theme, no lights.
No theme and just
Bunch of
bunch of skeletons, and they are saving power, so we can't see anything much, and so it's 0 rated.
Yeah, I agree. It wasn't that good because they do have lights, but they're off. So the lights are off. So yeah, it wasn't that fun. I like the theme, but because they were trying to save electricity, being sustainable, but at what cost, right? So yeah, it was not that good. So we are at our fifth location. Guys, what do you think?
This is like they made it Halloween as well as Christmas, everything one.
Yeah.
So it's fine, but not related to Halloween. I mean Christmas.
Yeah, so I think they're more into Christmas because we've come to this house before. I think you can find it in my Christmas video. So I think they're more Christmas theme focused, but they still wanted to be more inclusive with Halloween. So they have put some elements of Halloween. So for Christmas, I think we all will say it was really good because they have so the lights are tuned with radio channels, which is kind of cool. But for Halloween, I think it's yeah.
Halloween.
What about you, Tejas?
It's nice. I liked it. It's beautiful.
Is it Halloween theme or Christmas theme?
It's a Halloween theme, but lot of Christmas lightings. It's too much light.
Yeah. So I think it was okay. Like, we have seen better houses before. So yeah. To the next one.
You know,
So we are at our 6th location.
Have a walkway.
Oh, okay. And the best part is we can actually walk inside. So it's a pathway, you can literally just go through and see the whole thing. Sleepy Hollow. Oh, this is cool. And we have witches. Wow. I like the effect. We are at our 6th location. What do you guys think about this one?
This is so nice. I liked it, the sensor effects and everything.
Was this one of the best?
ones.
Yeah, I agree with her. This is one of the best ones because you could go inside and you can nicely take your time, look through everything. I really like the gas effect that they did, and I also liked this pumpkin skeleton. What about you, Tejas?
yeah, I liked it. It was especially the smoke. It was really interesting.
Okay, cool. So I think we all agree this was one of the best ones, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the end of the video, so we'll go and ask all of us about which are our favorite, maybe like top 2. I don't think there were enough to do.
If top 2 you can, yeah, top 2 is
Yeah, top
fine.
2 is fine. Yeah. So which are your top 2?
First and last. The first one,
Oh yeah.
yeah, that is good.
Yeah.
And the last one is really good.
Yeah, it was definitely
top
good.
one. You can say the last one.
Okay. What about you, Tejas?
I liked the one with the smoke. The
Yeah,
best.
the last one.
And the second, I would say the one with flying ghost.
Huh.
I like
Oh, nice,
Yeah.
nice. For me, I think I like the one with like couple of the first neighborhood
Yeah.
where everyone did the decorations, because they all had particular themes going on. So I think that was my favorite one, and the other, I think the best one was the last one, obviously,
one.
because you could walk through, and they had a lot of elements, different storylines going on. So that would be my first, and the second one would be the neighborhood one. So I think, yeah, those were my top 2. Okay, so I think this is it for first video, and we'll definitely make part 2. So guys, what should people do?
Subscribe, comment, and like. Let us know which one you liked.
Like, share,
Subscribe.
subscribe, and comment down below which is your favorite one.
Cool. Guys are learning. Okay, bye bye.
See you.